Hello, today you will see the general ideas behind the creation of this art. I call it the flying head. And one more time, welcome to the literally lazy tutorial, where I'm just lying in my bed. So of course we will start by importing our image. It's a very simple image of a woman just looking to the side, like she doesn't care, but we all know that she does care. To remove the background, for that I'm gonna use a tool called object selection, which is a new tool in Photoshop. And if you just select it, boom! So anyway, after you create a mask and remove the background, now we need to change the colors. Because let's be honest, the colors of this image suck, because there are no emotions here. We will go to filter and camera raw filter. So here the first thing is to increase the texture, because when the skin is too soft you don't see all the details. It looks emotionless. And also increase the haze, because now we see some really nice colors. So anyway, after you did that, now it's time to cut the head. Yeah, I know, I'm a monster. First, we're just gonna use mask in order to hide some parts. But now we're gonna go to brush settings and select a different type of brush. As you can see, I'm selecting this type of brush, which is not rounded, but more like why, you may ask? I don't know if you have ever cut on someone's head, but what I was trying to say is that I'm trying to create a chaotic effect, because when you usually cut something, it's not ideal. It's always like that, you know, let's say when you cut paper. So for example, as you can see, if I use it now on the mask, boom, it's not perfecto anymore, and this is good, because sometimes perfection is bad. And then I remember that I forgot to give this artwork a name, so I decided to call her Necklace, which is obviously a lie, because she has a neck. And you may question, but why did you call her Necklace? Because I'm a liar. Big time liar. Now it's time to go to Liquify, because we need to add some plastic surgery to her face. So I'm gonna choose this face option. As you can see, I'm gonna start making her smile. A head without the body is already bad. Smiling head without the body is even worse. And also let's make her eyes bigger, because girls like big eyes. I have seen some girls who really want to have big eyes because they think it's beautiful. I don't know if it is beautiful. I don't know what are big eyes. Now it's time to put some dollar signs. We're gonna place them inside her eyes. I'm gonna color her eyes with some really interesting color. Boom, shakalaka boom. Now go to filter, noise, and add some noise. And this is going to add some really nice points to our eyes. Wow! I'm also gonna go to layer styles, auto glow, and add some green glow for her eyes. Mine is green, glow is also green, eyes are green, everything is green. I mean, do you need any more logical explanations? Are you stupid? Don't you get it? You see? Now you made me angry. So basically, now put the money inside her eyes and use warp tool on the money. But before you can do that, you need to convert the text into a smart object. Okay? You hear me? Repeat what I said. No, yeah, stop the video, pause, repeat what I said, because if you follow the tutorial, I'm 99% sure you're not gonna convert the text into a smart object. You're just gonna be like, do I really need it? Yes, you do. How do I know you're gonna say it? Well, I have been teaching Photoshop for many years already. I had once a student who didn't know how to hold the mouse. No, literally. She was holding it not like that, but like that. What? You need to start warping the dollar signs around the eyes. Create a duplicate of her face and put it a little bit down. Go to brightness contrast and make it a little bit darker. The image which is behind is darker. That gives us depth for the artwork. It looks like there is something behind this. Now I will forward a few minutes of the video and I will tell you later why. As you can see, I created this type of colorful cries for the eyes. You probably don't know how to create this, because this is my personal invention and technique that I'm not sure if even Photoshop developers know that you can do this. I mean, I'm not saying they don't, but I don't know if they do. And you can see a tutorial on how to do that in a separate video. I didn't put it here because I'm too lazy to explain it all. Don't you see? I'm not even smiling. Because smiling takes extra energy. So now we're gonna go to After Effects and see how this was animated. You need to import all of them into After Effects. Boom. Even if you don't know how to use After Effects, this is still going to be useful for you, because in case you learn it, you will understand how to do this. And it's not that difficult. I mean, it sucks the first months when you learn After Effects, but as soon as you learned it, then it's like, it's the best thing ever! So I also found a video of a fire. So as you can see, I put it here, but now I need to delete the black background. For that, I'm gonna use color key, which helps you to delete any color you want from your video. So if I just select it and boom, and oh my god, this is horrible. But that's why we have all of these parameters where we can just do some quick edits and boom, we have only the fire. So in case you have a footage of you swimming in a swimming pool, you can delete all the blue colors from this video and it will look like you are swimming in the air. Too smart for you, right? This is animation of stars, so it's just a starry background. I'm gonna add it to a floating head. Must be in space. I mean, where else would it float? Stupid. So now I'm working on animating the eyes, basically making them glow. And the way it's done is, I mean, you just add glow effect. If you want to make things glow, makes sense, right? And all you do is you decrease and increase the glow strength. Voila! Next thing you do is just connect all of them together and change the position to animate it. So you just put it up on second 0, and then you put it down on second 2, and then you put it again up on second 4, and it just goes like that. And just to add some final touches, in order to make it go like that also, not only up or down, basically what am I doing? I have no idea. You just use wiggle. This gives it more realism. Like, you know, if you had a camera, when your hands are shaking, your camera also shakes, and it looks like someone did record this for real. And one very last final step, you add this kind of overlay, glitchy overlay video. You just add it and then just change the blending mode to overlay. What are you doing? Oh, okay, it's not overlay, it's add. So looks like I'm stupid. And that's basically it. My dear friend Citas, but before I finish this, I need to show you something very, very important. And if you don't see it, then your life will be destroyed forever and ever, and even Thanos will not be able to help you. I recently added this class to my premium Photoshop classes website, which is learnfromfred.com. I know you look at these prices and you go, this is so expensive. Well, actually, let me show you a trick, okay? Instead of paying $49 for a class, all you need to do is to go here, click start for free, and you will be able to start for free and get 30-day free trial. And then if you don't want to continue, just click cancel, or if you want to continue, it's just $7 per month. Or you can also buy me a beer, that also works. Or if you want to get some really beautiful and also horrific posters, for example like that, or like that, or like that, you know, just to make sure that as soon as you have any guests, they look at this and they leave as soon as they can because they're terrified by your taste. Then if you want to do that, make sure to get my posters, because they will definitely help you to don't have any guests at home anymore, so that you can just sit for your own and have a calm, nice life. Now you know why I do my art. Boom, chica, boom. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications, or I will destroy your Photoshop.